Hello everyone, I'm Shukla Nath Banerjee, one of the winners of Cook with Cambay Tiger contest. Cambay Tiger prawns or Cambay prawns are something which I prefer. Why? Because it comes clean, so there's no hassle that I'll have to bring prawns and clean it before cooking. And there are times when you even get pre-marinated version, which I feel makes your life very easy. Today I'll be cooking creamy prawns. Now, how I came up with this recipe? Being a working professional, it's very tough to give a lot of time for cooking. And there are times when children are really demanding. So, creamy prawn is something which works really well with spaghetti, with bread or with rice, and there are times when I give them with paratha as well. I hope you enjoy my recipe with your family as much as my family do. Thank you.